So we're mixing the Lucy Clear up to do a pour, and we've marked plastic containers with 100ml and the other one with 200ml, and it's already been decanted. So going to decant, and then we'll pour into a separate container. You'll get away with it with a Lucy Clear because it's a lot more fluid than a normal epoxy. Don't try this with a boat coat. You put the resin and hardener in, and the resin just needs a scrape out on the container, just to get it right. And then it's a matter of mixing. Make sure you mix it thoroughly. So if you look, this is a bit cloudy, and the hardener's sitting on top of the resin, so you've got to mix until you get it mixed in thoroughly. The instructions say 6 minutes, but it's important to mix right through and get it in thoroughly. So Brian's going to mix away for 3 to 4 minutes at least, and probably up to 6 minutes, and you've got to scrape right around the edges and scrape right through it. Don't mix it like mixing a cake. You'll actually inject air and induce air into it. Just mix it nice and even right around. We've got a floater in our container of mix, and it's easy to solve. We've got a pair of plastic tweezers. We go in and we find it and we pull it out. There you go, we got rid of our contamination, whatever it was. There it is there. So there's a little tip.